sons and daughters of this great county. We have also to send our heartfelt condolences and sympathies to the family of those who lost their children and those who sustained injuries in the still ongoing national Occupy Gen Z demonstrations. We ask the government to compensate the bereaved families, clear hospital bills and release without conditions the Gen Zs who are most affected. Allow us, Your Excellency, to petition us following, hoping that you are going to sort such after looking at it and consulting broadly. You will give the people of Nyamira satisfactory response and actions taken. Number one, Your Excellency, completion of Manga Stadium and open for sports. Number two, we need youth active programs to engage different youth cadre. Number three, map youth partner programs to engage youths in various projects. Number four, fire all civil servants or appointed officials above 60 years to create rooms for youth. Absorb into PNP ECD teachers phase 2 and 3 and recall all ECD teachers whose contracts were not renewed. Number 6, 30% youth representation in appointments, tenders and decision-making positions. Number 7, advertisement of vacant positions in the media not employing silently. Number 8, the youth ZII to resign with immediate effect. Number 9, complete and operationalize the youth policy. Number 10, suspend the corrupt public service board. Number 11, equip all hospitals with enough essential commodities, including RH commodities. Number 12, full operationalize the child policy. Number 13, redesign Nyamira urban areas and establish clear CBD and streets. Number 14, build gubernatorial house and public service offices. Number 15, install street lights and improve drainage system in our county. Empower youths and targeted projects and funding. Number 17, launch local industries to create employment opportunities to absorb over 5,000 youths. Number 18, the employees that got recruited on 17th July 2023, they haven't been paid 5 months arrears to in salaries to date. And of course, some casual laborers in some counties haven't been paid since January. We don't know why. Last but not least, the following are also crucial issues to be addressed in your administration, Your Excellency. Nepotism, regional balancing in employment in the county government, majority of the employees are said to be relatives of the governor. Number 2, employing new staff instead of promoting existing staff who have been present since the onset of the revolution. Number 3, gross misappropriation of public funds, which is corruption. According to multiple reports by the Auditor General, Auditor General's report 2022-23, things don't look like 5.4 billion unreconciled transfers from the county revenue fund. Number 2, 2.6 billion is in respect for compensation of employees cannot be confirmed. 17.4 million health workers allowances, house allowances, special house allowance. Number 4, 1.7 million domestic travel and subsistence could not be confirmed. Number 5, 21 expenditures on printing, advertisement, information could not be confirmed. Number 6, 28 million hospitality supplies and services could not be confirmed. Number 7, 48 million expenditure in unsupported purchase of pharmaceuticals and non-pharmaceutical cannot be confirmed. Number 8, 1.2 billion transferred to the government entities could not be confirmed. Number 9, 376 million in grants cannot be accounted for. Number 10, 82 million unlimited to lab fund for pension. This has already attracted 76 million in interest. Did the following projects come to completion? Number 11, which is 15 million Yamwetreko Eye Hospital. Number 12, 34 million construction of inpatient block at Manga. Number 13, 96 million construction and the completion of Nyamira teaching referral COVID-19 isolation book. Number 14, 2 million construction of twin houses at Motagara Health Center. Number 15, 4.5 million Nyabite Retail Market. Number 16, 382 million Nyamira County Headquarters. Number 17, 34 million outpatient and inpatient Ekerenyo Sub-County Hospital. We are looking forward to hear from you soon because the park stops at you, else the demonstration will resume in 7 days. Thank you, Your Excellency. God bless Nyamira. God bless Kenya.
Thank you so much, the fourth estate, for coming in large numbers. I requested you to bring me the petition today. It's because your demonstrations, which were yesterday and the other week, have been infiltrated by my political opponents. Therefore, it could not have been the best time to receive this petition. So, I request for 1 week, then I respond to each. And each request or each question. What I can tell you, there are some issues here which are low-lying fruits, which will be addressed immediately. But some of them, because of the current economic situation, will be planned for and be undertaken. So in that 1 week, I will have answered all the questions so that you know. You have read some issues of what the channel. There is some issues which were raised by the auditor general, and when they came here, they were mishandled. With that mishandlement, they did not take into account responses which had been done. That's why I checked most of the people of finance who were there. But I can assure you, if there is any money lost, some people will go to prison. Otherwise, as far as I know, some of this is that they cannot be verified. What it means is that the auditor was not given enough explanation. Responses were done, but the auditor did not take them into account because she was mishandled. If you look at annexes to the reports, you will find some of them have already been addressed. Therefore, when you hear so much money could not be verified, do not think it's money lost. We'll be able to give it very clear, one by one. And as you make this peaceful petition, I can assure you, I will give it the attention it deserves. Number two, your demonstrations are not in vain. You can see what has happened in Nairobi, Kitengela, you saw. The other day, some people wanted to break into a supermarket and loot. These are not GNCs. Because GNCs, as you have put it yourselves, you walk with a bottle of water, a mobile, and a filimbi. Some of these people were transported from Kaptembe and Nakuru, some from Migori, and some from Kisii County. Therefore, what we have done to give me this petition is a heroic, because you know my political opponents, it's a competition. They will always say, hakuna kitu inaendelea Nyamira. Ati Nyamira ni county number 46 out of 47. Sio kweli. Nyamira tuko na miradi mingi ambao nafikiria nitawaambia waweke mtandaoni muanze kuona nini tunafanya. Tuko na industrial park ambayo inajengwa. Tuko na ICT hapa ambayo nimemaliza kujenga na ngojea computers peke yake, na kila 3 weeks tutakuwa tuna train vijana nyinyi 35 of them every 3 weeks. So kwa mwaka moja tutakuwa tumetrain vijana more than 400 kujifanyia ajira kutoka nyumbani. Na tuko na mipango ingine, wala hawezi kununua laptop, tuwasimamie kwa bank, wapate laptop, waweze ku-access. And I know the minimum I've known for people who do online jobs is 20,000. Tukupatie miezi 2, ununua hata nguo ndio ilikuwa na kusumbua, uanze kulipa loan. Na mwingine ambaye hajiwezi naye aweze kufaidika kutoka hapo. Iko mengi tumepanga because we wanted to do ajira, hii ni ajira kwa kila sub-county, but national government has rolled a plan to do MPs, they'll be doing e-program kwa kila ward. Kwa hivyo, we are open to discussion so that we can share our thoughts. Tukiwa wazee ni kwamba hatuna ubonge jaisha. Na nyinyi mkiwa vijana sio kwamba mnajua kila kitu. Experience also as something to train you. Kwa hiyo machache aseke usi. Biyamano vijana yetu ikiara into wabiarito.